Have you ever gazed up at the night sky and wondered about the mysteries it holds? One of those celestial enigmas is the Orion Nebula, a dazzling spectacle nestled within the Orion constellation. Visible to the naked eye from our home planet, it's a cosmic wonder that has fascinated astronomers for centuries. Today, we'll unveil the top 5 most incredible facts about this stellar nursery. So hold on tight as we take a journey 1,344 light-years away to the Orion Nebula. Starting at number 5, did you know the Orion Nebula is a stellar nursery? A stellar nursery is a region in space where new stars are born. Imagine it as a cosmic maternity ward, where vast clouds of gas and dust come together under the force of gravity to give birth to new stars. The Orion Nebula, with its rich molecular clouds, provides the perfect conditions for this star formation. It's like a colossal, glowing incubator nurturing these embryonic stars until they're ready to shine on their own. Some of the most famous stars we see in our night sky, like Betelgeuse and Rigel, are thought to have originated from this celestial nursery. So the Orion Nebula isn't just a beautiful spectacle in our cosmos, it's a vital part of the stellar life cycle. So next time you wish upon a star, it might just be a newborn from the Orion Nebula. Moving to number 4, let's talk size. When it comes to celestial bodies, the Orion Nebula is a heavyweight contender. It's like the Empire State Building standing among suburban homes. Try to imagine this. If the distance between the Earth and the Sun were scaled down to a single inch, the Orion Nebula would still stretch out for an astonishing 12 miles. That's right, 12 miles. It's almost too vast to comprehend. This enormous size makes the Orion Nebula one of the largest and brightest nebulae visible from Earth. It's a veritable titan in the night sky, outshining countless stars and galaxies. Yet despite its colossal size, the Orion Nebula is but a tiny speck within the immeasurable expanse of the cosmos. It's a humbling reminder of our place in the universe, isn't it? So next time you gaze up at the starry sky, remember, that's right, the Orion Nebula is a giant even in the vast universe. Coming in at number 3, what if I told you the Orion Nebula is a colorful spectacle? Indeed, the Orion Nebula is not merely a corner of the cosmos where stars are born. It's a virtual canvas, painted with a palette of celestial hues. These hues aren't just for show. Each color signifies something different. The radiant reds and pinks, for instance, are the result of hydrogen gas glowing under the influence of ultraviolet light from the young, hot stars. The blues and violets, on the other hand, are from reflected starlight off dust particles. Meanwhile, the green is a bit of a cosmic oddity. It's the glow of doubly ionized oxygen, a phenomenon that only occurs in very thin, hot areas of space. The varying colors also signify temperature differences, with cooler regions appearing red and hotter areas shining blue. So the Orion Nebula is not just a star factory, but a cosmic artist as well. At number 2, brace yourselves for some galactic weather. The Orion Nebula isn't just a cosmic spectacle. It's a swirling storm of interstellar winds. These winds are no gentle breeze. They're created by the high-energy particles emitted from the newly formed stars. Imagine a wind so powerful it can carve out cavities in the surrounding gas and dust, shaping the nebula as we see it today. It's a cosmic weather system unlike anything we experience on Earth. Yes, even in space you can't escape the weather. And now, the number 1 incredible fact about the Orion Nebula. It's a window to the past. The twinkling lights we see from the Orion Nebula aren't just distant stars. They're echoes from a time long gone. You see, the light we're seeing left the nebula over 1,000 years ago. Now you might be wondering how that's possible. Well, it's all thanks to a concept called a light year. A light year is the distance light travels in a single year, and it's an astronomical distance. When we observe far-off cosmic objects like the Orion Nebula, we're actually observing light that has been traveling for centuries to reach our eyes. In essence, we're looking back in time, gazing upon a celestial spectacle as it existed over 1,000 years ago. So when you look at the Orion Nebula, you're not just stargazing, you're time traveling. So there you have it, the top 5 incredible facts about the Orion Nebula. A stellar nursery where stars are born, it boasts an incredible size that's hard to fathom. It's a breathtaking spectacle of colors, a result of its varied gases. The nebula even has its own galactic weather system. And finally, it's our window to the past, shedding light on the universe's history. Next time you look up at the night sky, remember, each star has a story, and the Orion Nebula is one of the universe's best storytellers.